Hi, this is Xiaoxiao LU. This is the final project presentation of image processing and computer vision. My project is implementation of image segmentation. First, let me introduce my project. Image segmentation is the very important part of image processing. In some applications, we cannot process the direct provided picture because of it is inefficient and unpractical. Therefore, we need to segment the original figure before comprising or recognition. Image segmentation is to classify a cluster of figure to different parts according to the feature of the picture such as pixel value or frequency. From now on, lots of methods image segmentation have been created. Some of methods can be applied to any type of pictures, but others of them can only be used in specific type of images. Image processing is the very important connection between image processing and image analysis. In this project, we mainly studied and implement three different images segmentations, which are edge detection image segmentation, watershed image segmentation, and region growing image segmentation. For edge detection segmentation, edge detection is a widely used image processing approach for finding the boundaries of objects within pictures. It works by detecting disconnectionities in brightness. Commonly used edge detection algorithms are robots, sober, private, log, canny, and fuzzy logic methods. In this project, robots, Sobel, private, log, and canny logic methods are implemented. For watershed segmentation, a watershed of a grayscale image is analogous to the notion of a catchment basin of a height map. In general speaking, a drop of water following the gradient of an image flows along a path to finally reach a local minimum. In different images, watershed line could on the edge or nose or combined lines on both edges and nose. Because different grayscale, every local minimum value have produced unoverlapped segmented region as watershed. For region growing segmentation, region growing method can be illustrated as the opposite of the merge and split approach. The basic idea of region growing image segmentation method is to decide a small area that iteratively merges thanks to similarity constraints. Then select an arbitrary seed point and compare it with neighborhood point. When the neighborhood points are similar to the seed point, add this region to the initial small area, so the region is growing bigger and bigger. When the increase stops, just choose a new seed point and restart doing these previous steps until all the points are belong to some region. We can get the segmented image from this method. Here are the implementation and the simulation results. Here is the results of edge detection segmentation. This is the green original picture, and use robots logic algorithm, the result is better. But for sober result, private, log, and cannon result, the result is not clear as the robot's result. And here are the simulation results of watershed segmentation. It's the green color version of the simulation result of watershed segmentation. It is the recolored vision of simulation result of watershed segmentation. And here is the simulation result of region growing segmentation. Here is the original picture, and the green part is the chosen seed point. And here is the segmented simulation result of region growing segmentation. For result analysis, edge region detection section method. Brightness component can detect most part of edge information, but for the low contrast pictures, brightness edge may be lost. While edge won't occur this condition because chromaticity information is less affected by the light changes. For watershed segmentation method, the most important step is to selection of the marker. If choose well, the simulation result will be pretty good. But if choose inappropriate, the image may easily be over-segmented, so we need to focus on this point. For region growing segmentation method, the segmentation result depends on the selection of seed point and the growing sequence, because the similarity is determined by the statistic algorithm. Region growing method is not sensitive to noise as the other two image segmentation methods. Here is the conclusion. Compare among the simulation results. With the select test image, watershed segmentation method get the best result among these three image segmentation methods. For edge detection image segmentation method, Canny logic algorithm get the best result among other logic algorithm. Thank you. That's all. Now let me simulate on the MATLAB. First, we open MATLAB. Here are all the files we need. Tulip is the test image of the image segmentation methods. And here are three types of image segmentation methods. For the first, we check the edge detection. We run the code. And we get the simulation results. Here is the original green picture, and it's the result of robots logic methods. Here's our Sobo logic methods result. Here's our private algorithm result. Here is the log algorithm simulation result. Here is the Canny logic segmentation result. For watershed segmentation, here are the codes. We run the simulation. Here is the great vision of image segmentation results of watershed. This is the recolored simulation result of watershed segmentation. We can see that the color isn't very look like the original image because the watershed segmentation has limitations of recolored the segmented image. And for the final method, region growing segmentation, here are the code. We run the simulation. Here are the simulation results. In the original picture, these three green little points are the seed point we selected. And according to the scene point, we increase the region according to the similarities of other points. And finally, we can get the segmented output using region growing image segmentation method. And here are all the simulation results we are showing. So my presentation of image processing and computer vision is done. Thank you so much.